How to add Frax Share on MetaMask application. Are you guys facing issues to add Frax Share on MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now tap on the plus icon and click on search bar and search for Frax Share. In order to add Frax Share on MetaMask application, just toggle this option and tap on next. You can see the option for import, click on it. As soon as you hit the import button, Frax Share will be added on MetaMask application. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add Frax Share on MetaMask application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.